This might break your heart. What's happening to this poor dog? Why is its body suddenly jerking? Is it in danger? Before I tell you what's going on, if you think every dog deserves love and care, like and subscribe. If you don't, that means you hate baby puppies. Comment a heart if you love animals. This is a dog experiencing a seizure, often caused by a condition called epilepsy. It's not in pain, but it's scared and needs help. Seizures can look dramatic, but staying calm and protecting the dog from injury is key. Always call a vet immediately, because with proper care, even dogs with epilepsy can live full, happy lives.